U.S. business magazine Forbes says the owner of French luxury brand empire LVMH has replaced U.S. entrepreneur Elon Musk as the world's richest person. Bernard Arnault and his family climbed to the top spot in the magazine's The Richest People in the World rankings. LVMH owns 75 brands, including Louis Vuitton. He and his family's wealth is estimated at $211 billion. Musk is second, with personal assets of $180 billion. The Tesla CEO topped the list for the first time last year. Fast retailing chairperson and CEO Yanai Tadashi and his family are the highest-ranking Japanese nationals, coming in at 39th. His company runs the Uniqlo casual clothing chain. Forbes says the number of people with assets of $1 billion or more fell by 28 to 2,640. The main reasons were declining stock prices and rising interest rates.